नमस्कार दोस्तों, मेरा नाम हेमंत है और जैसा कि आपने कल देखा था कि आपको शायद आपके राइट्स के लिए अवेयर कराया गया था कि एक कस्टमर के, हमारे पेट्रोल पंप कस्टमर के, जो भी हमारे कस्टमर्स हैं आते हैं हमारे आरओ पर, उनके क्या राइट्स हैं। आपसे कहना चाहूँगा दोस्तों, आज एक अखबार में न्यूज़ आया है जिसमें कि कहा गया है कि जो पेट्रोल पंप था जहां पर ये मिसहैपनिंग हुई है, या आप कह सकते हैं कि जहां पर ये एक अनएविडेंट सिचुएशन क्रिएट हुआ था, उसका चालान कर दिया गया है। बिकॉज उसमें शॉर्टेज जो था दैट वाज ऑलमोस्ट 35 ml। एमी सेठ, उनका एक अपना स्टेटमेंट है दैट वी वांट डिजिटल billing in everything. Now, Emmy, and to my customers, just wanted to say one thing, that Rome wasn't being built in a day. Now, we as an association office bearers want to educate you on what exactly the process which has been going on within the industry, what are being future plans to adopt, and what transparency are oil companies been going through to create more awareness, more quantity, more quality assurance to our customers. Very first thing is I want to come onto the challan which is being done onto that particular retail outlet, and further जो hardships हुई हैं हमारे डीलर्स को, प्रिसाइजली फॉर महाराष्ट्र डीलर्स, जब से ये इशू आपका एनलाइट हुआ है उस दिन से। लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी रूल्स के अनुसार जो हमारे डिस्पेंसर्स होते हैं, डिस्पेंसर्स जिनसे कि हम कस्टमर्स को अपना फ्यूल देते हैं, वो कैलिब्रेट होते हैं। जैसे कि कल मैंने आपको बताया था 5 लीटर के नाप के साथ एक 5 लीटर्स का मेजर होता है। लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी ऑफिसर होता है, ही इज़ अ ट्रेन्ड ऑफिसर जो कि आता है हमारे पेट्रोल बंक्स पर, और आने के बाद में 5 लीटर का अपना कैलिब्रेटेड मेजर, जो कि एक मास्टर मेजर होता है उनके पास में, उससे वो कैलिब्रेट करके हमारे आरओ पर आते हैं, और उसके बाद में हमारी मशीनों को कैलिब्रेट करते हैं। नाउ इट्स अ नोन फैक्ट दैट देयर आर एरर्स in calibration also. Calibration means the behavior of that particular dispenser. उसी के लिए डीलर्स को 25 ml in that particular 5 liters दिया जाता है as an error in terms of temperature, in terms of flow rate. फ्लो रेट से मेरा कहने का मतलब है कि जिस स्पीड पर आप अपना मशीन को कैलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं। इट ऑल्सो इन्वॉल्व्स अ ह्यूज टॉर्क, कि जब आप मशीन डिस्पेंस कर रहे हैं, जिस टाइम पे आप उसको कैलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं, तो आपका स्पीड क्या था, आपका टेम्परेचर क्या है, बाकी सारी चीज़ें। आई डोंट वांट टू गो इनटू दैट, बट बेसिकली जो एक एरर परसेंटेज है दैट इज 25 ml इन कंपेयर टू 5 लीटर मेजरिंग। अब जो महाराष्ट्र में उनका चलान हुआ है दैट वाज फॉर 35 ml। इट्स अ गुड थिंग if the machine was running short or it was being short calibrated. It has to be recalibrated, and customers should get at least 5 liter dispensing if they are being getting filled in form of 5 liter in machine code during that time of refueling. एमी, बहुत सारे हमारे इनिशिएटिव चल रहे हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ डिजिटलाइजेशन, इफ यू वांट टू हैव अ वर्ड ऑन दैट। IOCL, इंडियन ऑयल कॉर्पोरेशन लिमिटेड, one of the largest stakeholders in the country. They have already opted a process to get each and every retail outlet who are doing 50 KL a month. 50 KL a month means a consolidated sale of petrol and diesel for 50,000 liters a month. And petrol pumps who are running above 50 KL has to be calibrated and has to be automated by the end of 2017. Now, what exactly are the usage of those particular automations? Digital bills. You can track your fueling done during the month. You can track the amount being filled during that time you have been there at the retail outlet. उसके अलावा आपका कितना पूरे साल भर में कितना क्वार्टरली बेसिस पर आपने लिया है, वो सारी चीज़ें आप अगर अपना नंबर किसी भी रिटेल आउटलेट जो कि ऑटोमेटेड है, पीछे सॉफ्टवेयर्स रहते हैं, अगर आप वहाँ पे जाते हैं तो इट कैन बी डन टू यू. बट इट नीड्स इन्वेस्टमेंट, इट नीड्स टाइम, it needs connectivity. PMO has gone through with an initiative that each and every RO and each and every office in everything has to be digitalized. We honor that thought. Now, any sort of RO which has been automated, I am not aware of that particular RO जहाँ पर कि आपका issue हुआ है, whether it's been automated or not, but अगर वो automated है तो you can very well check that time you have been there कि आपका actual में कितना fueling हुआ है. Now, before going on further, let me tell you, Emmy and all my viewers, ये जो एक बहुत छोटा सा issue था जिसपे कि आपका मिसकम्युनिकेशन हुआ या एक डेलिब्रेट चीटिंग हुई, उस पे एमी सेठ जिन्होंने लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग करी, वायलेट करा रूल्स को. आई डोंट वांट टू गेट इनटू दैट, बट अल्टीमेटली द डीलर फेटर्निटी एज पर द वर्ड्स दे आर गेटिंग पनिश्ड बाय लीगल मेट्रोलॉजी बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी आरओ इज बीन स्कैन्ड, इट इज बीन चेक्ड, and everybody is on a tagline that yes, they are doing some sort of malpractices within their retail outlets. Just think upon a part the issue which can be settled at that particular retail outlet only. He has taken a huge way only because the basics of the trade and hardships of the trade were not being known to an innocent girl. Still, the streamer is typing and making a taglines that half truth or half justice is being passed. Can you imagine, my dear viewers, what exactly does it takes to get a stamp, or you could say the re-verification of that particular machine? It involves huge amount, energy, time of a retail outlet and legal metrology officer also. And in terms of 35 ml, 35 ml is merely 35 drops, you can say. Now going on further, if it is going on a shorter side, yes, delivery has to be stopped. And we do not, being into an empowering dealer foundation and being a co-founder of a national body and an elite office bearer, I don't support any sort of malpractices at the retail outlet, being any. Now, going on further in terms of digitalization, if the RO is being automated, it has to be running on utmost purity for quantity and quality. Rest assured, BPCL, being one of the highly reputed companies in terms of customer satisfaction, they are having a world-class automation system which are coming up in a coming few days. And in that particular thing, it can act like a ledger to you if you want to keep a track कि आपने कितना अपना फ्यूलिंग करवाया है ईयरली बेसिस पर, मंथली बेसिस पर, और उसके साथ साथ अपना वीकली बेसिस पर कितना आपका कंजम्पशन हुआ है. यू कैन गो थ्रू विद इट every single time. Now, I want to come on the hardships which we dealers do face. I told my viewers yesterday that I have been with a tank lorry yesterday in which appropriate amount which is being shot is almost to 70 liters. It was being checked by legal metrology officer. It was found short, but ultimately nothing has been done till yet. And we being some sort of educated dealers who can take a stand in front of the company, who can raise their voice, yes, they are very much getting benefited. They are raising their voice toward digitalization. They are raising their voice toward perfect deliveries in terms of quantity and quality. But there are many dealers who cannot even make a stand in front of the company. So just imagine your 100 rupees theft has taken a long way in terms of checking the whole ROs within Maharashtra. Now just check that if 100 rupees unavoidant situation can create this sort of issue, just think upon a part, if my 60 liter or any other dealer's 70 liter odd is being thefted or it has been getting delivered short, where do we go and what do we do? It is not just a question to you, it's a question to my Honorable Minister of Petroleum, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. We have been asking for an underground tank calibration also in terms of digital aspects to get a correct quantity and quality which has not been fetched. Now coming back to a forecourt supervisor and a salesman, Emmy and other of my viewers, can you imagine yourself standing at a forecourt serving almost 1,000 to n numbers of customers which can raise as per the location of the retail outlet? They are catering, they are standing for you, they are taking your heat, they are taking your abuse. So at least, please, when you be there at the retail outlet, try to bring some smile on their faces, because they are the one who have been standing for you over there, being any of the season, being summers, winters, rainy seasons, anything. So my request would be, if you need any sort of response from my side, you can call me anytime. The number is 9756564444. Again, I am repeating, the number is 9756564444. We, as an Empowerment Dealer Foundation, stands for the fairness, and we want transparency. We are requesting our Honorable Minister also that each and every aspect which can lead to transparency, upliftment of sale, customer satisfaction, it's always been invited. But these sort of incidents which happens to be creating a live streaming and creating a question mark onto the honesty of all the dealers around is really a sad incident. Thanks a lot. Stay empowered. Spread empowerment. Peace. Thanks a lot. My name is Hemant Suroi. Thank you.